Is HandBrake taking too long to encode your videos? A few settings and system adjustments can help reduce encoding time without making the process unnecessarily complicated. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to speed up video encoding in HandBrake in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch HandBrake and click Open Source. Select the video you want to encode and wait for it to load. Before changing the settings, check the video's resolution, frame rate, and current encoding options. Next, open the Presets menu and choose a faster preset. In general, faster encoding presets process the video more quickly, while slower presets spend more time analyzing the video to improve compression efficiency. Yeah, if encoding speed is your priority, moving toward a faster preset can make a noticeable difference. Now open the Video tab and select your encoder. Hardware encoders available on your computer can often provide much faster encoding than software encoding. I mean, hardware encoding can be especially useful when you need quick results, although the quality and compression efficiency can vary depending on the encoder. Next, review the quality and dimension settings. Very high-quality settings or unnecessary high resolutions can increase encoding time. Take a moment to choose a resolution and quality level that actually matches how you'll use the finished video. Now review the advanced video options and turn off processing features you don't actually need. Filters, extra frame processing, and other intensive options can increase encoding time. Don't disable something just because it's available. Keep any filter or feature that's important for your particular video. Finally, choose your output location and click Start Encode. Watch the encoding progress and compare the speed with your previous settings. So if you regularly encode large videos using faster presets, efficient hardware encoding, and only the processing you need can save a lot of time. And that's how to speed up video encoding in HandBrake. Use a faster preset, consider hardware encoding, choose sensible quality and resolution settings, and avoid unnecessary processing. I mean, the fastest settings aren't always the best settings, so find the right balance between speed, quality, and file size for your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.